Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. I trust you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I would like to talk to you about a stock that went up 950% for the past year and another 40% just for the past 5 days. But before we dive in, I would ask you to like this video, leave a comment, consider subscribing. If you would like to support the channel, there is a link down for the Patreon, where I post daily for my stock alerts and my option alerts. So everything I trade in and out during the day, I post it. And also through the Patreon, you'll have access to the Discord where I discuss what's going on through the day between myself and other members. So the stock I'm going to be talking about today is EXP World Holdings, ticker EXPI. You can see for the past year, these guys went up 950%. Past 5 days, they went up 38%. And even today, they've been trading pretty nicely, and then they went up 6.8%. That is despite that today is actually a really red day on the market. This guy is still pushing up. So a few words about the company. EXP World Holdings Inc. So these guys, based on the end of September 2020, they had a market cap of $3.75 billion. That being said, today the market cap is actually $8.33 billion. They have a really big US residential housing market that they can attack. So pretty much the real estate brokerage market accounts for $1.4 trillion with 5.3 million existing homes sold annually in the United States. 89% of homes in the US are actually sold through the real estate agent. So these guys are trying to say that they have a huge possibility of market share. And they also had nice revenue for 2020. Comparing to 2019, it's pretty much almost doubled. Net income came from negative in 2019 to positive in 2020. And cash equivalent, you can see that it went from $40 million to $91 million in September 2020 with pretty much zero debt. So what's so unique about these guys? They are pretty much cloud-based brokerage, and they have highly attractive commission structure for the brokers. So we're going to go through what's making them so unique. So all agents receive financial benefits for helping grow the brokerage. It's not as a traditional broker when only one person is getting incentives to grow the business. And another main thing is they have minimal capital requirement to expand geographically because they don't have brick and mortar infrastructure. So they have highly attractive commission structure. They have agents received 80-20 split on the first $80,000 gross commission income, so $16,000 yearly cap. And after that, agents keep 100% commission of the remainder of their respective commission year. Another unique thing they have is they have a model providing agent equity opportunity. So pretty much for the first closing of their deal, they receive $200 of EXPI stock, another $400 they receive when agents cap, and another $400 of stock for directly attracting another agent after the agent closes their first transaction. So pretty much if I'm an agent and I get into work with the EXP, as soon as I close my first deal, I receive $200. So when I work for the agent, as soon as he caps his $16,000 annually, I receive another $400 worth of stocks. And I will also receive another $400 if I reference a broker and that broker comes and works with EXPI. So pretty much I can receive $800 worth of stocks just simply working with them and inviting one of my friends to join them. So that tells me that there's going to be a constant push for the stock, because the more brokers they're going to get, the more stocks going to be bought and spread through the brokers, and that's going to be just continuously pushing the stock up and up and up. So another important chart for you guys, you can see the ending agents and revenue by quarter. So they had agent growth year by year 56%, and now it's 36,000 agents Q3 of 2020. They already reported that they have now 43,000 brokers as of to date. So if we continue this trade and going all the way up to 45,000 agents, it would be safe to say that their revenue is going to grow even higher than they are right now. Because you can see they've been growing pretty nicely here. They flattened out, then they followed the agent count line, then flattened out here, followed agent count line, So I would assume this here is going to be flattening out, and then it's going to go much higher. So I'm expecting to see the revenues grow from current $550 million to, let's say, 700, 800, maybe $900 million by middle of this year. These guys also got some great news for this year. They were planning on expanding for the new international locations for early 2021, including Puerto Rico, Brazil, Italy, and Hong Kong for the first quarter of 2021. And another news broke out today that they actually expanded already to Puerto Rico. So now, in addition to its robust US presence, EXP Reality also operates in 8 other countries, including Australia, Canada, France, India, Mexico, Portugal, South Africa, United Kingdom, and they have more than 43,000 agents worldwide. So these guys are growing just exponentially. Now, another piece of very important news is on January 19th, they announced that the board of directors has approved 2-for-1 stock split in the form of stock dividend to make stocks ownerships more accessible to employees and investors. Each stockholder on record on 29th of January will receive 1 additional share of common stock for each then held share, which will be distributed after the close of trading on February 12th, 2021. So these guys are on a stock split rally right now, and they went up 38% for the past 5 days. I think these guys are going to be going up rapidly until January 29th at least. That's the last day for the stockholder record. After that, they will probably going to slow down, sell some profits, and they will continue growing. Simply because each agent that is out there joining the EXP World Holdings will get some additional shares, and that's going to be pretty much pushing the stock up and up and up. And considering that there are more than 2 million agents just in the United States and Canada alone, 43,000 agents right now is very small number. So I think that they have bright future in front of them, and I will most likely be adding some stocks to my portfolio. And this is it for today, guys. If you like what I heard, leave a like, drop a comment, maybe consider subscribing. Once again, there is a link down in the description for the Patreon where I post daily for my buy and sell stocks or option calls I do. Also, I try to answer all of your questions in the Discord. Thank you so much for your time and have a great trading week.